Hi guys, welcome back. Is your Windows 11 PC running slow, lagging, or not running the way it should? Don't worry, today I am going to show you the best free optimization tool for Windows 11 that can speed up your computer, improve performance, and even clean up junk files. And the best part is it's completely free and safe to use. Alright, so let's get started. The tool we will be using is called RyTunex Optimizer. I will leave the download link in the video description below so you can grab it directly. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the official GitHub page. Here it says your one-stop solution for enhancing Windows 10 and 11. Yes, this works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. And just below that, you will also see why you choose RyTunex. For effortless optimization, that means instantly boost your system speed and reliability, and for smart features from app removal to privacy protection. Okay, so on the right hand side you will find releases. Click on this. Now scroll down a little bit and here you will see the file name RyTunex setup.exe. So just click on it and the download will begin. It's a small file, so it should only take a few seconds to download. Once downloaded, go to your download folder and double click the installer. If you get a Windows message saying Windows protected your PC, just click on more info and then run anyway. The setup is very simple. Just accept the agreement and click on next. Then click install and wait for a second. And once it's done, you will see a installation succeeded. Now you can close the installer and open RyTunex from your start menu. The first things you will see is a message recommending you to create a restore point. So this is very important because it allows you to roll back changes if anything goes wrong. Okay, so here I recommended you click restore point before making any optimization. Once that's done, we are ready to explore all the features. Right, on the home screen you can see a live performance dashboard. It shows you CPU uses, RAM uses, and disk uses in a real time. This helps you quickly understand how your system is performing at the moment. Okay. On the left side you can see a lots of options. I will go through them one by one and explain what they do. Okay. Now let's go to the Optimize tab. Here you will find a collection of powerful tweaks to speed up your PC. So let me walk you through some of the most useful ones. Disable menu show delay. If you turn this on, Windows menu will open instantly without delay. Disable background apps. This stops unnecessary apps from running in the background. That means it's saving CPU and memory uses. Then you will find disable remote assistance. If you turn this on, it will completely disable Windows remote assistance. That means no one can connect to your PC remotely using the built-in remote assistance features. Add copy move context menu. When you turn this on, you will get extra options like copy to folder and move to folder when you right click a file or folder. So instead of normally copying and pasting files, you can quickly select a destination and move them directly from the right click menu. Disable remote registry. If you turn this on, your Windows registry cannot be accessed remotely. This is another a good security step. And then hide file extension and hidden files. If you turn this on, Windows will always show files typed like .exe, .jpg, .txt, making it easier to identify files. Okay, and also hidden system files and folders will become visible in the File Explorer. Now you can scroll down to the Advanced Optimization section, and here you will find Optimize System Profile. If you turn this on, Windows will adjust its internal performance profile, so apps open faster and overall system performance feels smoother. Enhance GPU priority. Enabling this will give you a graphics card higher priority in handling tasks. That means smoother video playback, faster rendering, and better gaming performance. And then you will find adjust low latency GPU mode. When this on, your GPU will run in a low latency mode, which reduces input lag. So if you play games, your mouse clicks and keyboard actions will respond quicker on screen. It's always helpful for creative work like video editing where smooth graphics matter. Okay. Then disable sysmin. If you enable this option, it will turn off sysmin service. Sysmin is supposed to make apps load faster by preloading them into memory. but in reality it often causes high disk and CPU uses. So disabling it usually makes Windows more stable and responsive, especially on older PC. Enable gaming mode. When you turn this on, Windows will automatically focus system resources on your game. Optimize foreground app performance. With this on, Windows will always prioritize the app you are actively using. So if you are editing a video, playing a game or browsing, that app will get the most CPU and memory power, while background apps get less priority. Now under other settings, you will also get disable Cortana. If you turn these options on, Cortana will be completely disabled on your PC. That means it won't run in the background. Next, click on the Repair tab. RyTunex also includes powerful system repair tools that are normally hidden deep inside Windows. Here you can run DISM tool to restore system health, SFC scan to repair corrupted or missing system files, and check disk utility. That means scan your drives for error and fix disk issue automatically. Below that, you will also see a useful report such as battery health report, memory diagnostics, disk optimization report, event viewer. All of these tools are useful hidden behind complex commands or menu, but RyTunex brings them together in one easy place. You can turn any of them with just a single click. Next, click on the Debloating tab. This is where RyTunex really shine. It automatically scans for unnecessary pre-installed apps, also known as bloatware. For example, here you can see Candy Crush Saga, like Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Bing News, Microsoft Bing Search, Microsoft Bing Weather, and OneDrive, and other apps that you may not use. So simply tick the ones you want to remove, then click uninstall selected apps. You will also notice an option to clear system temp files. So just click on it and wait for a few seconds, and it will remove all the junk files from your PC, freeing up valuable disk space. Now let's go to the Privacy tab. Here you can disable a lot of tracking and advertising features in Windows. I highly recommended turning on all of this, like disable advertising ID, disable Bluetooth advertising, disable news and interest, disable tailored experience, disable cloud optimized content, and disable feedback notification. And if you scroll down further, you will also see the telemetry settings. So enable these to stop Windows from collecting and sending your users data. So this is not only improves performance but also gives you more privacy. Now comes to the Features tab. In the Features tab, you can customize Windows 11 to work exactly the way you want, while removing unnecessary distraction. Okay, so some of the useful options here include disable Windows transparency. It improves performance by turning off visual effects. Okay, enable dark mode. Disable search. Turn off the built-in search features if you don't use it. Disable Insider service. It stops Windows Insider background service from running if you are not part of the Insider program. Enable End Task on the taskbar. It's a very useful option that lets you right-click any app on the taskbar and close it instantly, especially if it is frozen. Disable Snap Assist. And also disable widgets. Removes the widgets panel from the taskbar. It reducing the clutter. Okay, and disable Edge Discover bar. Disable Copilot AI. It removes Microsoft Copilot AI if you don't need it. And you'll also get a disable Windows recall that blocks the recall features from tracking your activity. So these are extra features that gives you more control over what Windows is running in the background, so helping your system stay fast, clean, and distraction free. Now let's check the Networking tab. Here you can add or change your DNS server or faster browsing. For example, you can switch to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS to improve your internet speed and privacy. In the Security tab, RyTunex show you the status of your Windows Defender and the antivirus. You can see. And finally, we have the Device tab. So this is a very handy features. Here you will get all the important information about your system, such as operating system details, processor details, graphics card details, RAM, storage, networking, and battery details. One of the best option here is driver backup. It lets you backup all your installed drivers with just one click. For example, I am going to save them in my desktop folder. So just select the location, click on backup, and wait for a few seconds. And done. Now you can see that all my drivers have been backed up into that particular folder. This means that if you are reinstall Windows later, you won't have to download drivers again one by one. You can simply restore them from this backup and save a lot of time. So that's how you can use RyTunex to speed up, clean and secure your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. From performance tweaks and privacy settings to debloating and repairing. It has everything in one free tool. So I will leave the download link below in the video description so you can try it out right away. If this tutorial helped you guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.